Interactive sliding tips. Change the default select then drag mode using the unselected via track and selected via track options on the PCB editor interactive routing page of the preferences dialog. During dragging, the routing conflict resolution modes also apply ignore, push, hug and push. Press Shift plus R to cycle through the modes as you drag a track segment. Existing paths and VS will be jumped or VS will be pushed if necessary and possible if push mode is enabled. To convert 90-degree angle corner to a 45-degree angle route, start dragging on the corner vertex. While dragging, you can move the cursor and hotspot snap into an existing non-moving object such as a pad as shown in this image. Use this to help align the new segment location with an existing object and avoid very small segments being added. To break a single segment, select the segment first, then position the cursor over the center vertex to add in new segments. Press Tab